Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth Ann, and today we're going to be going over what I eat in a day. You should see me in a It clearly varies, but before we get into that, I'm going to kind of discuss WW, why I'm on it, and like my opinions so far. First of all, it is not the first time I've been on it. I've been on it like so many times. I first was on it when I was like a kid. When I was first diagnosed with diabetes, but the way it used to be, it used to not work well with diabetics because they did not, I can't exactly remember. I want to say they like didn't go off of carbs or something, but it just didn't make sense. And then I'm pretty sure I tried it again in like middle school or high school. And then when I was a freshman in college, I did it because my mom was doing it. I wanted to do it because I wanted to kind of avoid the freshman 15. And as people, and I think I've talked about it on here, I don't remember, but I've said before somewhere on the internet, it did help, and I did avoid the freshman 15, but I did gain a bunch of weight as soon as I stopped it. And that was due to the fact that I was a college kid and I was drinking and eating a bunch and not working out. Anyway, and then I did it right before the pandemic, and I also really liked it. I think I lost like, I can't exactly remember, I want to say like 10 or 15 pounds because I used the same account the last time I did it. I can see what my past weight was. Anyway, I liked it, but then it went online because of the pandemic and it just wasn't worth it to me. So I'm doing it again because I really want to get in my best health this year. Not that I don't already eat healthy, I already do. If you guys have heard me or seen my channel before, I eat pretty healthy. You know, I'm normal, I eat out sometimes too. But for the most part, I eat super healthy because I am a type 1 diabetic. And I will say also, so far, it's really lined up with how I eat normally with my diabetes and stuff and hasn't interfered, which is so, so, so nice. So yeah. So I'm doing it, like I said, just to be in like the best health. I have a couple health issues. Clearly I have diabetes, but I have a couple other health issues and limitations. And so I really just wanted just to kick it into gear. So that's where we are. And yeah, so I'm still learning a lot about the new app and like how it works and stuff. But for right now, I have 28 weekly points. So I do have 30 points a day and then 28 weekly. Something cool that they do now is you can like track your veggies and water intake and your activity. You can track your sleep. And there's literally so many like online resources. There's like different groups, there's different like guides, different weekly eating things, how to like reframe your mindset, sleep better, etc., etc. And there's seriously so many different groups. It's kind of like having your own Facebook. You can share and post, join different groups. I'm like in I'm in a few different groups. I'm in Dry WW because I don't drink, I'm sober. Living with diabetes. I'm in the Dallas group and the Oklahoma City group. I'm also in the 20s group. So there's like a million different things you can do with it. So yeah. So anyway, I hope that sort of explains some of the questions you might have. I'm working on like a health series and I'm doing a few different things. I'm not going to give any spoilers, but the first episode should be coming within the next like week or two, and then the rest of them will be coming within the next couple months. So that's exciting. It's taken so long because I'm doing like challenges and stuff like that, so it's not just like film it in a couple days or even like film it in a week and be done. So yeah. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, I'm going to do sort of a voiceover clip of what I ate today. So please comment down below if you'd like to see more videos like this, more health videos, and what you want me to do in my health series. Okay, bye queens. Starting off strong even before Weight Watchers, I start my morning with a huge glass of water. This is what I drink before anything because I've found out that it just helps my overall being and my blood sugars if I start off with water. I add in collagen to help with my thinning hair, and yeah, super hydrating. I love to start my morning off this way. Typically, I stretch or go for a quick walk before I start on my morning coffee. I like to have a double espresso or a cup of coffee and then have a protein shake with it. My favorite are the Orgain or the Premier protein shakes. I found it to be that most protein shakes are between 2 and 4 points, but the one I'm having today is 2 points. My meals vary day to day, but this is what my meals would be like if I didn't have class until later in the day. So my first big meal of the day are going to be these breakfast tacos. It was so delicious. I made some cheese eggs, sprinkled a little cheese and everything but the bagel seasoning, and just let those cook. I used this fat-free cheddar cheese. A fourth of a cup is 1 point. I used corn tortillas because I am gluten-free, which can be a little tricky, but I found that the corn tortillas have the least amount of points. I measured out my sour cream, 2 points for 2 tablespoons. I added my leftover avocado and eggs and had some tortilla chips on the side as well. Now let's move on to the final meal, dinner. For tonight, I had a sweet potato and I ate the entire thing, so it was more points than usual. And then I had my meal planned 2 ingredient dough pizza. It is 8 points, and I will try to link down the recipe I found down below. I know it doesn't look very appetizing, but just add a little Parmesan cheese, and it is delicious. I have a big sweet tooth, so I had to show you guys my favorite desserts. I love sugar-free pudding, the strawberry cheesecake, light and fit, and then these chocolate chips are really good. I also showed you guys a few of my favorite snacks, and the points are on the screen. So yeah, I'm gonna do another one of these videos, but vlog style. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye, queens. Mwah.
You should see me in a